Today I will show you how to do polynomial long division with a remainder. In some cases, when you finish your long division problem, you will end up with a remainder. And here's how you'll write that. So when you go through this problem, you'll look at this number here and the first number, which is 24x cubed. So what times 8x will give you 24x cubed? So we know that 8 times 3 will give you 24, and x squared times x will give you x cubed. So then you'll write down 3x squared over where it says x squared. And then you'll take your 8x times 3x squared, and then you'll write it down here, which will be 24x cubed. And then you take your other number that will be attached to your 8x, which is, for me, is 3, times 3x squared will give you 9x squared. And it's currently positive, so when you switch the signs, it'll be negatives. And now when you combine it, you should get negative 40x squared minus 71x minus 25. Now we'll do the same thing again. What times 8x will give you negative 40x squared. So 5 times 8 will give you 40. So you'll make the 5 a negative, so it'll give you negative 40x. So write down negative 5x. Because negative 5x times 8x will give you negative 40x squared. So multiply those together. Negative 40x squared. And then negative 5x times 3 will give you negative 15x. And then when you switch the signs, these become positives again. And negative 71 plus 15 will give you negative 56x. Then drop down to 25. And you'll do what times 8 will give you negative 56. And that'll be negative 7. So you'll just write down negative 7 because it already has an x here. Negative 7 times 8 will give you negative 56x. And then negative 7 times 3 will give you negative 21. And then you switch the signs. And you'll get negative 4. So the way I'll write this is you have a remainder of 4, and it's a negative, so you'll write down negative 4 over whatever number you have here, which is 8x plus 3. And that is how to solve polynomial long division with a remainder. If you enjoyed the video or learned something, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.